No! Well, I'm anything but a doctor. I am not a doctor. But if you're concerned about edamame being beans, I googled it, and I don't know how, what do you call it, reliable this source is, but it may prevent uric acid. I looked at another one. There's also this, is soybean bad for gout? And parang no need to avoid soybean. This one, because it's tofu, yeah, no, soy milk or edamame should be fine. What beans to avoid is the dried beans like garbanzo, mushroom peas, and spinach. But according to Google, and not a doctor, I'm not a doctor, parang edamame is okay. Maybe the salt is what you should eat it with not a lot of salt, maybe. This is me just pushing edamame. I love edamame. But if you don't like, if your gout acts up, don't listen to me.